Today on Happiest Places Home, I've curated pieces from a favorite store, Restoration Hardware, to create a beautiful dining room. I'll take you through each piece and the thought behind the selection. First, I couldn't resist the Aero oval dining table. This is such a unique piece. It has a marble tabletop and then a brass pedestal, and those are such traditional elements for furniture. Yet it has this mid-century feel, and I think it's very beautiful. So I started the whole concept of the room with this table. I paired the table with Restoration Hardware's French contemporary round fabric chairs. These are so decadently French. I am so pleased with the way that Restoration Hardware designed these chairs. I chose the white fabric because I thought it matched the marble perfectly, and the reason I chose the black on the chairs was actually to blend beautifully with the artwork that I selected. We're doning the wall behind the table with two pieces by Kali Sanders. This is from the Restoration Hardware General Public line. This piece is called Barcelona. I chose it because it evokes this passion and depth, and I love pairing it with another work of art by the same artist on the wall behind the table. I just think it gives this room a punch that says, we'll have meaningful conversations in this dining room. Both of these pieces have a strong possibility of inspiring you and your guests. Next, I'm showing you the Cannele chandelier. This sheds a warm and beautiful light on the table and your guests. This chandelier is even more beautiful than these pictures could ever show. Your space will glow like no other. Because so many of the pieces in this room are so powerful, the floor covering had to be a little bit more simple. So I selected the Linea hand-knotted wool rug. I think it brings everything together and it grounds the space. It's a little bit more relaxed than everything else, and I think that that is just the way to go with this design. The color also blends really well with the hardwood floor that's a charcoal color. Now we have a high-style room without being pretentious. The tablescape has two sections. The first is the Kline Hexagonal pillar candle holders. They're handcrafted by metal artisans. The gold in these candle holders and the gold in the chandelier really bring things full circle. I like the way they look together. And the hexagonal shape, this geometric feel, it's very modern, which complements the artwork very well. The other element to the tablescape is a vintage American trough. This piece is a little unexpected in this room, but the color of the weathered iron finish and the green in the moss do pull the artwork and the table together. I broke a decorating rule for a purpose, and I think it was the right move because this combination of the furniture, the rug, the tablescape, and that light fixture are amazing together, if I don't say so myself. Well, I hope you like it too. If you do enjoy the content here, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.